Kilifi County and the government is appealing for food aid to end ravaging hunger. A rapid assessment report conducted 3 weeks ago indicates Ganze and Magarini need food support until the next harvest.
Currently, over 100,000 people in Kilifi County are on the verge of starvation following a massive crop failure occasioned by prolonged drought. The most affected sub-counties are Ganze and Magarini. Ganze Deputy County Commissioner Wilson Saya says he has written to the County Commissioner Joseph Keter and the Special Programs Ministry in Nairobi, updating them on the situation on the ground, which he said was pathetic.
Wakati wananchi walipanda lima mashamba, mvua nayo ikapotea, na sasa mahindi yanakauka kabisa kwenye shamba.
He said that the 10 tons they received was like a drop in the ocean in a region where almost half of the entire population needs relief food. The most affected are school-going children, those living with disabilities, widows and the elderly.
Kuna wale ambao leo wakigawanywa chakula watapata wariziki wakale, lakini kuna wale ambao hata wakagawanywa hiki chakula cha leo hawana njia yoyote ya kupata chakula.
Kitu ambacho nimesisitiza ni kwamba tunaomba wahisani. Kama serikali tumetuma usaidizi kwa mashirika soko ya kiserikali.
The Deputy County Commissioner said they currently need more than 8,000 bags of maize for a period of 7 months. Maendeleo ya Wanawake Organization Chair Lady Ganze Sub-County Sarah Anthony said they have formed a group of 60 women to train them to plant green peas as an alternative way instead of maize.